Good morning, kindergartners. Today for Reading Workshop, we're going to be talking about another strategy that readers use. We call that strategy visualizing, or I like to call it making a movie in your mind. As you're reading a story or having a story read to you, I want you to start using the strategy of making that movie in your mind so that you're really understanding what's happening in the story. So today I'm going to read to you from a book by one of my favorite authors. This is from the Mercy Watson series, and this one is called Mercy to the Rescue. And I'm not going to show you the pictures today because I want you to use that strategy of making a movie in your mind. All right, here we go. Mr. and Mrs. Watson have a pig named Mercy. Each night they sing Mercy to sleep. Bright, bright is the morning sun, sing Mr. and Mrs. Watson, but brighter still is our darling one. Dark, dark is the coming night, but oh, our Mercy shines so bright. Can you picture that? Can you picture Mr. and Mrs. Watson singing that to their pig, Mercy? This song makes Mercy feel warm inside, as if she has just eaten hot toast with a great deal of butter on it. Mercy likes hot toast with a great deal of butter on it. But when Mr. and Mrs. Watson kiss her goodnight and turn off the light, Mercy's room becomes dark, very dark. And Mercy does not feel warm and buttery toasty inside anymore. She feels afraid. Can you picture Mercy in bed right now feeling afraid? Not like warm buttery toast? One night, after Mr. and Mrs. Watson sang their song about the sun, kissed Mercy goodnight, and turned off the light, Mercy decided something. She decided that she would be much happier if she wasn't sleeping alone. And so Mercy got out of her bed and went and got in bed with Mr. and Mrs. Watson. She snuggled up between them. Mercy felt warm inside, as if she had just eaten hot toast with a great deal of butter on it. So can you picture that in your mind, my friends? Can you picture the pig, Mercy, snuggled in between Mr. and Mrs. Watson in their bed? So friends, our strategy today was visualizing or making that movie in our minds, and starting today and forever and ever, when you are reading a story or having a story read to you, I want you to practice that strategy. That's going to help you really understand what's happening in the story. All right, see you later. Bye.